Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to configure ambulance details in the hospital management system, capturing the vehicle, driver, paramedic, equipment, and maintenance schedules so your emergency fleet stays ready and well documented. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Hospital to filter your modules. Then click Hospital Management to open the dropdown. Next, click Ambulance Services to view ambulance-related options. Then open the Ambulances section to manage your ambulance records. Click here to open the ambulance form and begin adding a new record. On the form that opens, start with the vehicle number, the unique identifier for this ambulance, so it's easy to spot across your fleet. Then select the ambulance type, like critical care. Tagging each ambulance by type helps you dispatch the right vehicle for the right emergency. Now fill in the driver's information, the driver name, their driver license number, and their contact number. Keeping full driver records on file supports both accountability and quick contact when every second counts. Next, enter the paramedic name and their contact number, so the medical lead on each vehicle is always identified and reachable. Now select the status of the ambulance. It could be either available, on duty, maintenance, or unavailable. Click Add Equipment to list the medical devices on board, like a ventilator or defibrillator. Recording equipment per ambulance gives you a clear picture of what each vehicle is capable of. Now, set the last maintenance date and the next maintenance date from the calendar. Tracking servicing here keeps your fleet road ready and helps you stay ahead of safety checks. In the Notes field, add a short description of the ambulance. For example, what it's fully equipped for, like ICU transfers or cardiac emergencies. A quick line here helps your team understand each vehicle at a glance. Once everything looks right, click Create to save the new ambulance details in the system. You can now see that the new ambulance has been added to your hospital records. And that's a wrap on ambulance services. You've just learned how to add an ambulance, capture its vehicle, driver, and paramedic details, and record its equipment, maintenance schedule, and availability. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.